Gabapentin is commonly available in the brand name Neurontin. It is an oral medication most commonly used to help manage nerve pain and epilepsy. Off-label, it's also widely used for diabetic peripheral neuropathy, fibromyalgia, restless leg syndrome, generalized anxiety, and more. Gabapentin helps calm down overactive nerve signals that cause pain, burning, tingling, or seizures. Gabapentin is available in capsules, tablets, and oral solutions. The dosing is usually titrated slowly to minimize side effects. For example, for nerve pain, the dose is started at 300 milligrams at bedtime, then increased to 300 milligrams twice a day, and then 3 times a day if needed. When you are prescribed with this medication, take it at the same time every day. If a dose is missed, take it as soon as remembered, unless it's close to the next dose. Then just skip and continue. Swallow tablets whole. Don't split or crush extended-release versions. This is important to keep in mind. Abruptly stopping gabapentin can trigger seizures or worsen nerve pain, even in people without epilepsy. So tapering is the key. Common side effects of gabapentin include drowsiness, dizziness, fatigue, weight gain, peripheral edema, or coordination issues. Let's take a second to talk about dizziness and drowsiness, because they are the most common reasons why people stop the medication. They usually happen early in therapy or with dose increases. These side effects often go away once the body adjusts with the medication. Also, gabapentin may affect concentration or coordination, and thereby the risk for fall, especially in older adults. Drug interactions. Gabapentin has minimal with other medications, but it's noted that antacids containing aluminium or magnesium, which can reduce gabapentin absorption. Therefore, take gabapentin at least 2 hours after an antacid. CNS depressants like opioids, alcohol, benzodiazepines can enhance sedation and increase risk of respiratory depression. If you have any concerns about your medication, seek help from your care team or pharmacist.